I have decided to try and do the same house as Martina from Nerdforge did with only 10 bucks. Except I spent more than 10 bucks, but supposedly this project is to inspire people to do stuff with what they have at home and with simple stuff such as scissors and a knife and a glue gun. So I bought this stuff and some foam. So I'm going to try and build this house with what I have and with zero experience. My original plan was to print out the template that Martina did and do everything according to her measurements, but I did not have a printer and I don't know anyone that owns a printer, so I just ended up winging this, looking at the YouTube clip and trying to get as much information as possible. I've never used a glue gun before. I don't know how this works. Where do I have electricity? Is it supposed to be coming glue? Because nothing is happening. Hello, are you working? Is there anything else I need to do? It needs to be warmed up for 5 minutes. Okay. Patience is not my strong suit. Patient, my love. Patient. Yay! There's glue! Oh god, this looks terrible! I can tell I clearly need to work on my patience and let the glue dry. I realized I forgot to carve out the door. It's supposed to be a door here. And there's not. Okay. I've been spending a ridiculous amount of time on trying to make these roof sidewall things. This is as good as it gets. They break at the top and but I just can't stand putting any more time into this because I think I spent like an hour on these things only. So this is as far as I got on the first day. I don't know if it's good or bad, but considering I've never done this before, I'm happy about it. It's far from perfect, but it's gonna be fun. I'm looking forward to painting everything, and the clock is only 5 p.m, but I have some errands to do and some food to cook and eat, so I'm going to continue tomorrow. And then I have work for the rest of the week, so I don't know when I will be able to get back to this. But hello! It's been a couple of days since I last filmed, and I finished the cardboard design, and then I've been working with this foam to make bricks, and now the house looks like this. So right now I'm just gonna keep on making bricks, and I've been feeling ill today. I have a headache and a sore throat, but I'm gonna try and spend some time on this anyway.
look at this mess.
Okay, it has been quite some time since I last talked to you guys. I have been working on the house, as you can see, but since I'm just doing like maybe an hour a day after work, I just sit on the couch and watch TV and do some crafts. And I have not been filming everything because that has just felt like such a project to set up the camera and the mic and like put myself in front of the camera and lighting and everything right like that. So I've just been filming a little bit of my progress, and yeah, this is it so far. My goal is to be done at Christmas Eve. I want to give this to my son. He has been wanting to play with it when I do my crafts. So I hope that I can make it. It is 8 days left. I have been building on this since the 28th of November. So I've been building on this for 2 weeks, and now I'm sick as well. I've been sick so much this winter, and that's also one of the reasons why I have not been filming, because I get anxious about sitting in front of the camera when I haven't like done my makeup or my hair, or you know, just sitting here looking like trash. But that is how life is, so I just figured let's film. So I'm gonna keep building on this for a while, and yeah, let's just do a time lapse. I have cut about 1 million of these roof tile strips, and now I'm going to glue them onto the house. Ja.
Så jag startar fram bilen. Kanske inte blir lite rädd.
There is a God who probably wants me to explore the universe. Just a fire one down. Vilken är din favoritlåt?
Min favorit är Big Was You.
Think about you.
Ja, det är min favorit.
Sometimes all I think about is you. Late night in the middle of June. Heat waves been picking me out. Can't make you happier now.
You can see about finally. No matter ever be. They call it really good. It's so much in there they go. And so nice to pick up. That's so big.
The time has finally come to start painting the house. I'm on my way home now, and I'm gonna sit down and start painting. But first, I need to make something that looks like concrete, like some sort of paint that looks like concrete, and for that I need water, paint, glue, and gravel or sand. And luckily it's no longer minus 15 degrees outside. It's currently plus 2 degrees Celsius. So I'm going to go to the playground and steal some sand from the kiddos. Hello and Happy New Year! So it's already the 6th of January, so Christmas and New Year's have already passed. Unfortunately, I did not film anything of the painting of the house because I decided to live stream it on Twitch instead. I thought anyway I was gonna show you the end result and get you a closer look on the details and the paint job. Are you ready? Here it is. So I'm very happy with it for like being my first ever real build and painting something like this. I'm really happy with details. There are some things that isn't completely finished or isn't completely perfect, so I painted this with acrylics. And first, to do the walls and the like concrete texture, I used what I said I would, like gravel and sand. But then I got this like texturized paste from my brother's girlfriend, and the two techniques combined were really good. So I'm really happy with these walls, and yeah, it looks really cool. It's been really fun, and thank you to Nerdforge for the inspiration of this project. I probably wouldn't have tried this if Martina didn't put up that video and showed us that it was possible to do this with basically nothing. Let's have a look at the details, and thank you guys so much for watching. Here we go. What do you think of the house?
I think this is great.
It's great?
Yeah.
Yeah, do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you got it for Christmas.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's yours now.
Yeah, it's mine.
Yes. Do you like to play with it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you like playing with me?
Yeah, I like playing with you.
Okay. Let's play together.
Bye bye.